Hi everyone! Today we will see together the new features released in XBIS during August and September 2023. CDR View Dashboard in Analytics. XBIS offers self-service analytics. It is a sophisticated tool that allows managers and supervisors to perform an in-depth analysis not only of call activity, but also of web conferences. In August, we introduced a new live board, which is a predefined dashboard called CDR View. It allows you to start using XBIS Analytics and get value from it right away, because it contains all the basic data to analyze companies' call activity. Here you can see all the calls made and received by separate employees, by departments, or by services or call groups. A few things that I wanted to highlight here for you. First of all, in the new CDR View dashboard, it is easy to track a call that consists of multiple parts, which happens in case of transfers, for example. We also added MOS, mean opinion score, value, and a separate tab allowing you to see call quality. Same as with all live boards in XBIS Analytics, you can view data as data grid, but also as graphs. You can export it, and you can also set up scheduled reports via email. We introduced a few improvements for call transfers. Now, when you're on a call, it's easy to perform attended transfer or blind transfer. You can choose between the two options, or you can send the call to the recipient's voicemail right from the call dialog. You can also forward ringing calls and transfer active calls to your own voicemail. It is now easier to request remote control during a meeting. Click on three dots from the conference control panel and then remote control, and then select a participant from the list. Otherwise, as always, you can hover the mouse cursor over a participant and then click on three dots and request remote control. We also introduced a picture-in-picture feature, which allows you to be more flexible during meetings in case you need to open another tab of XBIS or even a different tab or application on your laptop. You can enable picture-in-picture by clicking on three dots from the conference control panel. When you enable it, you will see the meeting dialog on top of any other windows and applications. So now, if you need to multitask, you are free to do so. And one more improvement for the meeting scheduler. When a guest user is scheduling a meeting with a company employee, they can now add more people to this meeting that they are planning. We added integration of PBX phone books with XBIS, which is especially useful for companies that do not have a supported CRM, Salesforce or HubSpot, but they use shared phone books synced with the PBX. The integration is on by default, so in case you have PBX phone books on your system, you will be able not only to find those users, those contacts via search field on XBIS, but also view the information about this contact in the Info tab of XBIS and edit it right away from XBIS. And in case you have a conversation with a person, with a guest user who is not present in the PBX phone books, you can create a new contact. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. For more information on XBIS, please visit xbis.com.